2015, but North pioneered what's called new institutional economics. And what he meant by
property that my brother and I had just purchased north of downtown Tucson. And how did we begin?
She said, sure. She had a mobile home in Clayton, North Carolina. I went, and she said, Sarge, I don't have a...
We have arms treaties in place. It doesn't mean that you don't have a stray like North Korea that may try to...
I've traveled north to the Arctic to capture the unfolding story of polar melt.
He's a North Carolina native, quintessential
south and north of where I wanted it to be.
North, and actually Anna had some influence in naming North because once she
Chicago, like West Chicago, and we live like super north, and then Winnewu was
the capital moved north to Warsaw. But Krakow still remains the university center. It remains the...
They see all the marquee attractions, and then they retreat 1 hour north to the predictable plumbing of...
So in the north would be, cottages from the north of Switzerland, and in the south would be cottages.
And there is so much to offer. In a lot of ways, the north has a lot of the charm of Italy without the intensity of Italy. 30 years, April and May in the Mediterranean. I go home in June. July and August, north of the Alps. Okay? Beans to your peasants. You want to export fancy food to a rich country to the north. And that's what happens.
East. It doesn't suffer from the extreme heat of the south, nor cold of the north. So it's a mild climate. Things...
Scholarships and my athletic scholarships, I was able to be at North Carolina State as...
That's the North Star. That would be the absolute